Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the dumb things people do to their cars without realizing it, plus how they can cost you money and how to avoid them. Resting your hand on the gear shifter in manual cars. The problem is it puts unnecessary pressure on the transmission synchronizers and shift forks, causing wear. The fix? Keep both hands on the steering wheel unless you're shifting. Overloading the keychain. The problem here is that a heavy keychain can wear down the ignition switch, leading to difficulty starting the car. The fix is simple: keep your car key separate or use a lightweight keychain. Not tightening the gas cap properly. The problem? It can cause fuel vapors to escape, reducing fuel efficiency and triggering the check engine light. The fix? Always turn the gas cap until you hear multiple clicks. Driving with a nearly empty tank all the time can be a big problem. It can overheat and damage the fuel pump, which relies on fuel for cooling. The fix is pretty simple: keep your tank at least 1/4 full at all times. Using the wrong type of oil is another common mistake. The wrong viscosity can reduce lubrication, increase engine wear, and even void warranties. So, the fix? Just check your owner's manual for the correct oil type. Installing oversized wheels, tires, hurts performance and fuel economy. Tinting windows too dark can be illegal and unsafe at night. Ignoring weird noises could be early signs of a serious issue. Putting cheap gas in a high-performance engine causes knocking and damage. Overloading the car wears out suspension and brakes. Adding unnecessary performance mods can void warranties and damage parts. Ignoring recalls could leave you with a dangerous defect. Not securing cargo properly. Loose stuff can be deadly in a crash. Using household cleaning products on the car's interior can damage surfaces. Putting regular dish soap in the washer fluid tank causes streaks and clogs. Ignoring windshield wiper blade replacement can lead to some serious issues. Worn wipers can scratch your windshield, which can result in some pretty expensive repairs. The best fix is to replace the blades every 6 to 12 months or whenever they start streaking. Shifting from reverse to drive or vice versa without stopping completely. This puts extreme stress on the transmission, leading to premature failure. The fix? Always stop completely before shifting gears. Resting your foot on the clutch pedal in manual cars. This wears out the clutch plate faster, leading to expensive repairs. The fix is simple: keep your foot off the clutch unless you're shifting. Starting the car and driving immediately in cold weather can be problematic. The oil needs time to circulate, and driving aggressively before the engine warms up causes wear. The fix? Let the engine idle for 30 seconds before driving gently. Spraying the engine bay with a hose. Now here's the problem: water can damage electrical components and cause misfires. The fix? Use a damp cloth or specialized engine cleaner instead. Using regular fuel instead of premium, when required. The problem is, if your car requires premium, using regular can cause engine knocking and long-term damage. The fix? Follow the fuel recommendations in your owner's manual. Ignoring tire pressure. The problem here is that low pressure reduces fuel efficiency and increases tire wear. Overinflation, on the other hand, reduces grip. The fix? Check and maintain the recommended tire pressure regularly. Riding the brakes on downhills. The problem is, it overheats the brakes, reducing their effectiveness and causing early wear. The fix? Use engine braking or downshifting along with occasional braking. Ignoring strange noises. The problem here is that unusual sounds often indicate issues that can get worse if ignored. The fix is to have any new or strange noises checked by a mechanic as soon as possible. Leaving keys inside a running car. Invitation for theft. Driving with fogged up windows. Limits visibility dangerously. Parking too close to a curb and scratching rims. Easily avoidable. Forgetting to tighten the gas cap. Triggers check engine light. Driving with the hood not fully latched can fly up and block your view. Keeping the car in neutral at red lights, especially in automatic cars. The problem is, some think it saves fuel, but it actually puts extra strain on the transmission when shifting back into drive. The fix? Just keep it in drive and use the brake. Washing your car in direct sunlight. The problem is, soap and water dry too quickly, leaving streaks and damaging the paint. The fix? Wash your car in the shade or during cooler parts of the day.